Hi everybody, in this video, I will tell you how to create a visual by entering text on an online artificial intelligence site. All of the visuals you have seen on the screen are created by entering text. Remember, every detail you will enter the text will help you create the image you want. First of all, you need to type leonardo.ai in the search browser. After writing, you should follow my transactions respectively. Here you must log in or set up an account. I will log in through an account that is registered here. The interface of the page will appear in this way after the entry phase. Before I start, I want to talk about the features of this site. First of all, this site helps with many tasks other than visuals. In addition, this site deducts 150 credits given by the site daily for every transaction you make. You can see the credit status in the upper left. Now I will visualize anything I imagine on this site by writing text. To do this, I will click on the place where it says Image Generation on the left side. The images you see on this page are images that I have previously animated as text. Now let's look at the results by typing any imagination in the search section at the top. The results in accordance with the text I wrote are as follows. I guess these results didn't interest me that much, so I need to make some further improvements on the text I wrote. The results in accordance with the text I wrote are as follows. This time, I need to do a little more development for the results of the text I wrote for the second time. Since I'm not getting what I want yet, I'll make a few more changes to the text. Yes, I like the results this time. As you can see, on this site I taught you how to make an animation by writing text. You can also download the image quality and size to your computer in the format you want from the panel shown on the left. Thank you for watching. See you in the next training video.